Hey guys, it's Johnny Duke again from Hogging It with Jason Woods, Bell County, Texas. Same ranch from out there in Davila, Texas, which is about 30 minutes east of Salado. And I'm out there at 1:30 in the morning. We just killed that one boar that was tough. This is about 300 yards. We're actually heading home. It was about 1:30 in the morning. I was like, hey, there's three other hogs. All three of these in this bunch are about 200 pounds each. All of them are boars, about 170 yards away, which is kind of a stretch for 300 blackouts, but not impossible. And we couldn't get any closer. We'd have to climb a fence, and we were afraid that we'd get caught by these guys. So we decided to go ahead and take our chances. And we ended up connecting on them. We target the one on the left. It was the biggest one, or actually they're all about the same size, but it gave us more surface area when we decided to shoot. And they ended up running towards us after we opened fire. And we believe we killed two of the three, maybe three of the three. We did recover one body. And overall for the night, we believe a total of 5 hogs. 3 recovered for sure. And it was a good night again, Texas safari style. And we're using I'm using a super Hogster, supersonic 150 grain full metal jackets. And Jason's using a Pulsar Trail 2 with Sig Sauer Elite 120 grain frangible bullets, which do a lot of damage. So just out there doing our thing and enjoying our hobby and trying to reduce this hog population on these ranches. So hope you enjoy this video. This is part 2 of When It Rains at Hogs. Hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. This is Johnny Duke from Hogging It and Jason Woods. Have a great evening.